For pet owners, there are the must-haves and the I gotta haves. Vaccines certainly fall into the first category, while a bejeweled faux leather collar and leash might fall into the latter. In today's Find a Friend segment, sponsored by Rascal Animal Hospital, you can get all of the above and more during the Dog Days of Summer in Uptown Westerville. We have Rascal owner and head vet Dr. Michelle Gonzalez with us. Right outside of Captivating Canines is where she'll be, and we have owner Ron Keller joining me as well. So thanks for being here.
Thanks, Rowan.
You're welcome.
Dr. G, who do you have with you? We always like to start with the cutest one in the room, right?
Yep, this is Akira, and Akira is a pit mix. She's approximately about 5 years old is her estimated age, and she is such a sweet dog. I have a Dream Rescue organization, rescued her. She had been surrendered at Franklin County, and they went and rescued her to get her a chance at a good forever home.
And that's what they do. They take the pit mixes that might be, you know, in danger, and they save them, and they want people to know how cute and cuddly and friendly they can be, right?
Yeah, she is really nice, really sweet. She lives in her foster home with other dogs and some kids, and they said that she is great with everybody. I don't believe that she's been cat tested, so we don't know how she would do with that, but she would definitely love to find a home with some other dogs to play with.
Yeah, we'll let her slide on the cat thing.
Yes.
Okay, so that ihadro.org, I Had a Dream Rescue Organization, is where they can adopt her. So this Friday, place to be, Uptown Westerville. So Ron, you have been a part of this event in the past. So what is it all about?
Well, we have 15 to 20,000 people there, 100 different vendors, lots of things for people to do, dog vendors, people that specialize in dog stuff. Delaware County Humane Society will be there with a king and queen of the festival as far as dogs. There'll be a scavenger hunt. Of course, we'll have the Rascal Animal Hospital in front of the store doing their thing at very reasonable prices. We have a photographer, Snap Pet Photo will be there at our store, along with iHadro. I Have a Dream Rescue Organization always comes out, and a Blessing of the Dog in 2 different places in Westerville. So we will have a lot of people.
Yeah, a lot of great stuff going on. I mean, it sounds like it's going to be a great time. Your store, obviously, as you said, heavily involved, Captivating Canines.
Yes.
So what do you offer there?
Well, we have 2 brands of dog food, Best Breed and Fromm's. We have all kinds of gifts for owners. We have toys and treats for dogs and cats.
Okay, so you include the cats, even if Akira isn't cat tested.
They have their own
Give them some
section.
love.
We got to keep them separated because they will fight.
And I love the photo you sent us. I was just talking to you about this before. Hopefully we can pop it up. You have your youngest dog here taking over the office, right? So
That's my little Sandy.
do you have your pets in the store with you all the time?
I have, they rotate around because they are Chihuahuas and they like to bark.
Okay.
So I have Tippy on Tuesday, and then Sandy or Kitty is the oldest one, and they normally come in on Friday or Saturday.
Well, it looks like he knows what he's doing, so I trust him. All right, Dr. G, your Rascal unit, as we said, will be right outside of Captivating Canine. So what are you going to be doing?
We're going to be doing our wellness things, so vaccines, microchipping, examinations, and it's so important for people to get their animals vaccinated, especially at this time of year. We've been seeing a lot of parvo cases, and you know our goal is to eliminate the financial part of it out of the why your dog didn't get vaccines. A lot of people complain that they can't get their pet's care because they can't afford it. Well, it's only $10 for the exam. The parvo vaccine is only $10. Rabies vaccine is $7. All the pricing is available on our website, so people can see what their animals need and get them the care that they need.
And even if they come in just for the wellness exam, what do you look for during that?
You know, we examine their ears, we look at their eyes, we look at their teeth. So many animals have dental problems that the owners do not know about, and they can cause serious problems internally. We look at their body condition, make sure they're not too skinny or too overweight, and then give them recommendations for care.
And you can tell them during that point, this is what they need, this is what you should be doing. If they need to then make an appointment at the Rascal Clinic, they can come back later if that's something that's involved.
Absolutely. We'll tell them these are our recommendations, and then they can decide what they can do at that time if they need to plan or budget for what else they're going to need. And, you know, it's all about education. For them to know what their pets need to be healthy, and then they can develop a plan for how to get it done.
How to get to that point, okay? And we'll have that price list as well posted on our Daytime Facebook page, because that's really the benefit of this, is that you said you're taking this cost down. I mean, these people, this is really no barrier.
Right, exactly, exactly. And especially for people that have multiple animals, there are people that have, especially with cats, they'll have 6, 7 cats, or they'll have 3 or 4 dogs, and they can take care of one pet, but they can't financially take care of everybody. So we're making it so that they're able to.
Okay, well, let's let them know, Ron, again, where is your store so you can find Rascal and yourself?
I am at 12 East Main Street in Westerville, right in the heart of Uptown, and we will have, like I said, Rascal there, and all of Uptown will be celebrating the Dog Days of Summer on Friday.
All right, I love it. It is this Friday from 6 to 9 p.m. in Uptown Westerville. Thank you both for being here.
Thanks a lot, Robin.